Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add Facecam to OBS Studio, and here's how it's done. Steps 1. Connect your webcam. Plug your webcam into your computer via USB or connect it using any other method. Make sure the webcam is properly set up and recognized by your system. 2. Open OBS Studio. 3. Add webcam as a source. In OBS, go to the Sources panel at the bottom. Click the plus button to add a new source. Select Video Capture Device from the list of available sources. Name the source, example, Facecam, and click OK. 4. Configure the webcam. In the Device dropdown, select your webcam. It should be listed here. You can adjust settings like resolution, FPS, and other options if needed. Click OK when you are ready. 5. Position the Facecam on the scene. Your webcam feed will appear in the preview window. You can resize and move it around by clicking and dragging the corners. Position the webcam in a spot on your screen, typically in the corner, where it won't obstruct important content like gameplay. 6. Optional. Apply filters or effects. Right-click the Facecam source in the sources list and choose filters. You can add filters like chroma key, green screen, color correction, or crop pad to adjust your appearance. 7. Start streaming or recording. Once your once your once your Facecam is set up and positioned, you are ready to stream or record with it. Click Start Streaming or Start Recording in OBS to begin. And that is everything you need to know about how to add Facecam to OBS Studio. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.